Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
The marriage of the Holy Prophet Muhammad and Lady Khadijah holds a profound place in Islam, not just as a personal union, but as a cornerstone in the early development of Islam. Lady Khadijah, often referred to as the mother of believers, was known for her immense piety, wisdom, and unmatched loyalty to the Prophet and his divine mission. At a time when most of Mecca's elite rejected the message of Islam, it was Lady Khadijah's unwavering support, both spiritual and financial, that enabled the Prophet to continue his mission. Despite her wealth and stature, Lady Khadijah recognized the unparalleled moral excellence of the Prophet, proposing marriage to him out of deep respect for his honesty, trustworthiness, and connection to Allah. Their union was blessed with children, including their daughter, Lady Fatima, through whom the Ahlulbayt lineage continues. For the Prophet, Lady Khadijah was not just a spouse, but a partner in every sense, standing by his side during the harshest periods of opposition from the Quraysh. She was the first to believe in his prophethood and remained his closest confidant until her death. Her support was irreplaceable. She is revered not only as the first believer, but as a vital pillar in the foundation of Islam. Her marriage to the Prophet exemplifies the ideal bond of mutual respect, shared faith, and commitment to a higher purpose.